Welcome to the Quotex Profit Guru channel. In today's video, we are talking about the Quotex mobile version auto trading bot. This auto bot analyzes the market by itself and places trades automatically based on the settings you choose. You do not need to place trades manually or watch the screen all the time. You only set the trade amount, time, and risk level, and the bot handles the rest. But remember, auto trading does not mean zero risk. Trading always involves risk. So it is strongly recommended to practice first on a demo account. Now let's start and see how this auto trading bot works live. Now we press the enter key to start the bot. After starting the bot, we need to select the account type. Press 1 for demo account. Press 2 for live account. I am pressing 1 and selecting the demo account. Next, we select the trade amount. I am pressing 1 and selecting the 100 amount. This trade amount works according to the currency selected in your app. I have selected BDT, so my trades will be placed in BDT. After this, enter your registered Quotex email ID and password. Once the details are filled, the bot is ready to work. Now the bot is successfully connected with the Quotex account. Here you can see the demo balance and the live balance on the screen. Next, we need to select the trading category. Press 1 for currencies, 2 for crypto, 3 for commodities, 4 for stocks. I am pressing 1 and selecting the currencies category. Next, we need to choose the trading pair. I am pressing 11 and selecting the Euro CAD OTC pair. In the next step, we need to select the time frame. I am pressing 1 and selecting the 1 minute time frame. Now we need to select the session duration. I am pressing 1 and setting the session duration 1 hour. Now everything is set and the bot is ready to start trading. Now the bot will place the trade on the next candle. As you can see, the next candle time is 17:28. The bot waits for the exact candle time and then automatically places the trade without any manual action. This bot works based on market conditions, indicators, and predefined logic to improve trade accuracy. But remember, no bot can guarantee 100% accuracy. This bot is designed to reduce emotions and follow a disciplined trading system, especially on the 1 minute time frame. If you are new, always use the demo account first and understand how the bot works. As you can see on the screen, the bot has successfully placed the trade in the call direction. The trade is opened automatically based on the bot's analysis and selected strategy. No manual action was required. The bot handled everything on its own. If you like this bot and want more such videos, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want this trading bot, you can contact us on Telegram. The Telegram link is given in the description box. Let's wait and see the accuracy of the bot. We will watch closely whether this call direction trade ends in a win or in a loss. And as you can see, this trade has closed in profit. The call direction worked well and the bot followed the setup perfectly. This shows how accurate execution and proper timing can give consistent results. Remember, results depend on market conditions, so always trade with discipline. If you like this deep win, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such bot trading videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.